Money mindset, wealthy mindset. What are we talking about? Well, money mindset or wealth mindset, as some people call it, really looks at where you think about money. What are your beliefs about money? How do you perceive your journey with wealth creation? Because depending on what's up here, impact what you get here. If you're constantly looking for opportunities, constantly thinking about wealth creation and wealth building, and you're looking at investments, you are going to be wealthy. But if you think that, money is evil, me not have enough, me need to make more, the system set up against me, then you're going to remain broke and you're going to be struggling. This year, let's turn it around and develop an abundance mindset. Let us start believing that money is mine. Let me claim it. The money is mine. The wealth is mine. When you do that, you're going to see a turnaround in your finances. If you want the support to change the mindset and to continue along that wealth building journey, you need to become a Profit Jumpstart client. Look at the link in bio and sign up there to get started.